I'm Bboy Dwayne. Today I will teach you a Toprock Go Down Combo. But before that, please subscribe to my channel, Bboy Dwayne TV. Click like and share and click the notification bell as well. Come on, let's go!
Still go, 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 yeah, go.
So guys, let's start sa ginawa natin kanina na Toprock Combo Go Down, alright? Yung ginawa ko kayo na guys, nag-Toprock muna ako. So ito yung kadalasan na ginagawa ng mga B-boy. So yan yung pinakasimula ng foundation of breakdancing, alright? Foundation na ito, Toprock. Then after Toprock, ginawa ko, nakapag ko guys yung kaliwa or yung left side. Then I'll tap the right side at the back. So dito guys, tinap ko siya. Then magti-twist tayo, alright? One more, ulitin natin. Toprock, Toprock. Then front, tap yung kaliwa. Tatap natin yung kanan guys, yung kanan. Then turn around tayo sa kanan. Right? One more time. One, let's go. Toprock, Toprock. Then kaliwa, tap kanan. Then turn around to right. Then balik. Right? One more. Let's go. Toprock, Toprock. Then left. Tap the right. Turn around right. Then up. Then after that guys, balik dito. Gagawa tayo ng handstand. Handstand. Pag nag-handstand tayo guys, ang nasa taas is yung kaliwa. Then magsiswitch sila guys ng kanan sa taas. Ang papagsak is yung left side or yung kaliwa. I'll switch. Then bumagsak na guys yung kaliwa. Then nakaangat pa rin si right side. Kaya mo kasi kanan. So after that, switch na siya dito guys sa back, knee. Right? So ganyan na guys yung magiging pagbaba or go down, right? One more, handstand, switch, after switch, waist. Alright, pag nag-waist tayo guys, turn around tayo papunta sa kaliwa. Then nakaangat lang guys, tandaan nyo, nakaangat lang ng konti yung kaliwa natin para maka-turn around tayo. Then, back sweep. Kung matatandaan nyo, may mga tumuro na ako guys sa video ko na back sweep. So, pwede nyo balikan, right? Dito natin, one more. Toprock, Toprock, then top kaliwa, switch, then handstand, switch guys yung kaliwa, then hawak sa waist, then turn around sa kaliwa, then back sweep. So yun. So gawin natin guys, mas mabilis, alright? Come on, let's go! So Toprock, Toprock, then kaliwa, top kanan, handstand, waist, then turn around, back sweep. Alright. Sana may natutunan kayo guys sa tinuro ko na Toprock Go Down Combo. Maraming salamat po. Come on, let's go!
Man, I still go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go